So welcome to my first ever episode of How to Make. Today we're going to be making white chocolate crackles, so let's get this cooking on the road. Bye! To start off the cooking process, I want to introduce you to my guest on the show, Sarah. Come on.
Thanks, Sarah.
She's going to be my assistant and helping me with a lot of things, and I will also be her assistant and I'll be helping her with a lot of things. So let's get this started. To start off, we're going to have to put these cupcake cases in the trays. So let's go. First thing we need for our rice crackles is rice bubbles. So we need to put 1 cup of rice bubbles into a medium to large mixing bowl. We have to put 1 cup of Cocoa Pops. So we're just using real Cocoa Pops. And we need 1 cup of that. Okay, and we need to add 2 tubes of mini M&Ms. Now just another reminder, this makes 24. So you can add more ingredients or lessen the ingredients depending on how many little cups you want to make. You need to add 1 cup of these Cadbury melts. Now that's just melting chocolate, and this will help sort of glue all the ingredients together. So 1 cup, maybe a little bit more. And they just look like these. Put them in a microwavable bowl and put them in the microwave until they're completely melted. Now it's completely optional whether you want to melt them in the microwave or whether you want to melt them over the stove. Power on high for 2 minutes.
Once your chocolate has been melted, you just add it to the mixture. Now Georgie's finished putting the chocolate, she's going to combine it.
Okay, now that I've mixed it, it should look like this. Nice enough, 1 combination. Okay, so now all we have to do is get tablespoons, clean up the wooden spoon, and pour it into our cups. We made less than 24, they made 10, but now we're going to put them in the fridge to set. You need to put them in for about an hour maximum, even overnight. So this is the setup, there's no cooking required. Okay, so here are the end results of our yummy cocoa crackles, whatever you call them. Now we're going to try them. No. So crunchy. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Watching.
Bye.
City I go, fuck me. Shorty must have heard.
My name is Georgie, and today on our first ever episode of How to Make. Guys, my name is Georgie, and today on our first ever episode of How to Make. Guys, my name is first ever welcome to my first ever episode of How to Make. Today we're going to be making welcome Sarah. Okay, so she's going to be my assistant or shit. Helper or something. You're gonna have to. Where'd you come from? Used to be there. Like everything. Jungle monster, no blood sucker, fat mother. Oh, we get in trouble if you run to my jungle dog. Sorry. Are we gonna cook?